Whoa, did you catch that? The judge just laid it out. Up to 2 years in state jail and a $10,000 fine. That's not just a slap on the wrist, that's life altering. Think about it. How quickly could your entire future change in a courtroom? Just like this.
Line and jump in line. And prosecutors, if you will be helpful with that, when somebody tries to skip in line, just tell them you're skipping in line. This person was here first. And we're going to run things in an orderly fashion. All right, court is calling 2019 CR 8173, State of Texas versus Amanda Lawson. Can I have parties announced for the record? For the state,
Jason Jerrihan, Your Honor.
defense,
Ray Lopez, Your Honor.
and are you Amanda Lawson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Amanda Nicole Lawson who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 8173 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on November 14th, 2019 for a period of 4 years and extended for a total of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state,
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 5 in Dare County, Texas. The defendant Amanda Nicole Lawson, who did in there failed to report the supervision officer as directed for the month of October 2022.
how do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Stand that, but I'm in hopes that you'll hear me out.
No, my question is, did you understand that? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
And there it is, the word true. In legal terms, pleading true means Amanda admits she violated probation. It's not a small detail. It's basically her telling the court, yes, I broke the rules. From this point forward, the judge has full power to revoke her probation. Question for you. If you were Amanda, would you admit it or fight it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Your name is Amanda Lawson.
All right, and what would you like to say?
Miss Boyd, because you gave me a second chance 2 years ago, I went to Grace House and I changed my life. I've been sober for 2 years. I was released from Grace House because I had a surgery and I had to go home and take care of my family. I've been doing nothing but going to work and going home. I was scared. I understand that being on the run for 2 years is bad, but I was scared that I was about to lose everything that I just worked really hard for because of the way it changed my life. And I'm just hoping that you'll believe in me one more time.
This is the heart-wrenching part. Amanda's not just defending herself legally, she's pleading for her second chance at life. She talks about sobriety, family, even caring for her grandparents. But here's the catch. Judges have heard this story 1,000 times. The question is, will her words land as genuine redemption or just another excuse?
Or you were placed on probation in 2019. And then you came back in 2021 and you pled true to a violation of condition number 1, which is a new offense. And then the court altered and amended your conditions and continued you. And then now we're here and nobody has seen you since 2022.
I was scared. I was at home. I was taking care of my family.
Why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
I was scared. I can't have no excuse for that, Miss Boyd.
Okay.
I was scared to lose everything I've just worked so hard for. My grandma is 75 and my grandpa is 95, and I have my kids back in my life. I have a relationship with them now. I've been sober since Grace House. I haven't worked so hard for something. It would just destroy me to lose it again and start over.
All right. So these are choices you made.
Yes, I understand that.
You made the choice not to report.
I understand that. I'm just hoping you'll believe in me one last time.
All right. Any questions?
She said all.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to grant the motion. The court is finding you guilty. Does anyone want to speak with regards to punishment? State?
Yes, Your Honor, the state's requesting 16 months state jail.
Yeah, we're requesting the minimum. That's 166 days in. We also have some credit for the time she served and
All right. So what I can tell you, Ms. Lawson, the state is requesting 16 months. I had internalized everything you said. And actually, what the court was going to do was sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. But the state is requesting 16 months.
Wow, did you see that pivot? The judge was ready to hand down a 2-year sentence, but after weighing everything, cuts it to 16 months. That's mercy in action. But let's be real, 16 months in state jail is still no walk in the park. Big question here. Is this justice or just the system giving one last compromise?
On deferred adjudication. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you were given chances. And
I was,
in this court, I don't know how other courts do it, but in this court, it is better to ask for permission than forgiveness. All you had to do was pick up the phone and call your probation officer and say, this is what's going on in my life. And if they did not address it, you know what you could have done? You could have come back to this court, come back to me, and I would have figured out what was going on. But for you to behave as though you were not on probation, that's a problem. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right, why were you late?
I had, what parking, I couldn't find a parking spot and, I guess.
All right, so court starts at 9. So you need to think about that when you're coming to court and plan accordingly.
Okay.
All right? I know people think it's just a little bit here, it's just a little bit there. But in this court, I try to keep the system streamlined so that everybody understands. And I want everybody to understand the rules because I find that when people understand what the rules are, you stay within those lines and everything will be just fine. So I require everyone to be here at 9. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So my mom called me and she said, Stephanie, it's Spectre of the Gun, not Day of the Gun. I'm sorry, you're not a Trekkie.
Oh, talking about yesterday.
Yes. But I'm telling you, I don't think people realize how great Star Trek, the original, was.
You're right. It was good.
Yes. And it had teachable moments. And Bashan, I will debate anybody to this day and tell them that Mr. Spock should have been leading, should have been leader.
Oh,
He solved every problem.
he really did now.
Bashan, and I don't even think he got an increase in pay.